Alright guys, welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews and unboxings, and we've got a beard advice series where you guys can send in a couple of pictures to me to that email address you see below. I take a look at that for a little while. You get featured in your own video, so check that out if you haven't. And fall is upon us. I think right now it's 10 days until fall. Yesterday it was like 95 degrees here in North Carolina, so I'm definitely ready for the fall. We got a little break in humidity there one time and then it came right back, so I'm looking for another break on that. But I'm also looking forward to the fall scents for the beard companies. Most of them come out with fall scents or more, and I love fall scents because they're usually nice and warm and rich. Sometimes they're like fruity with the pumpkin and the apple and the cinnamon and the food kind of inspired scents. So my friend Mo, the Bearded Shark, and I got to talking about it. I said, yeah, why don't we do a joint live stream video and we talk about all of our scents. So we got that planned for October the 1st on his YouTube channel. So make sure you check out the Bearded Shark's YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description below. We also got our good friend Scott McGruder from Beard Times with Scott. He's going to be part of that live stream as well. So the three of us are going to highlight all of the scents that we've tried, the fall scents, whether they are kind of special lineups. Sometimes they're limited edition fall scents, but also other scents that we like to wear in the fall that are kind of inspired by the fall seasons and things we like. So what I've got for you today is some of those companies have reached out. We've reached out to them. They've reached out to us. They want to be part of that live stream. So I got some stuff coming in. So I got a couple of quick unboxings here to do. So the first, I've got two of them today. So this one is from Fable Beard Company. I am in the midst of reviewing a lot of stuff from Fable Beard Company. So if you haven't checked out that unboxing video, I've got pretty much all of their mainline scents and the scents that are in the Legend series. So I'm trying out lots of oils. I got a balm, I got a butter, I got a co-wash. So I'm trying out all of that stuff. Really enjoying those, the beard oil especially. I don't know if you remember seeing my little vlog video where I talked about my beard felt so soft. I think the main contributor is the Fable beard oil. Something about the coconut and the castor oil. It really does a great job making your beard feel soft. So be looking for that. And then he sent out to me the new scent, the Savior. Just got some nice artwork on that. Looks like my friend there, Tyson from Faithfully Bearded. So this is the fall scent. And I don't see the description on here. If I remember right, it's pumpkin and toasted marshmallow and something and something. I don't remember all of it, but I'll go through it with you. I'll probably do one big after the live stream. I'll probably do a kind of a review video for you guys here on my channel about all of these fall scents that I've tried. So I'll be doing the ones that I've already had like from last year and all the new ones I'm getting from this year. So this one is the Savior from Fable Beard Company. Oh man, I get the pumpkin, but it's really rich and deep. I don't know if it's cinnamon, maybe a little bit of cinnamon, not overpowering with the cinnamon. And then I can see like the vanilla, which is kind of the toasted marshmallow. I'll warm up a little bit here in my hand as best I can. That's very nice. Very nice. So a little bit on the food inspired, but not anything that's really loud and in your face. So that's pretty warm and smooth. I'm looking forward to trying that one out in my beard, and I may have to see if, I don't know if there's going to be a balm or not. If so, I may have to order it to go with it. But anyway, that is the Savior from Fable Beard Company. And then I also have a package from JC Grooming, the owner there, Jack. He recently got married, so he's been kind of low key on his Instagram community presence, if you will. But he's getting back to it. I saw him on the live stream with Mo, the Bearded Shark, the other night, and it's really good to see him back in front of the camera, being active in the community. And he sent all three of us out the fall scent to check out. So I've got a balm and an oil and a butter of his and some of his various scents I bought a while back. I don't remember how many months ago it was when he had a big sale. So show off the goods. Thank you for the support. Can't wait to hear what you guys think. Jack, thank you, Jack, and thank you to Colin from Fable. Got a nice little business card in there. Great presentation here. And in here we've got, ooh, I like the way that is. That label is. Usually it's just kind of black and white, and this has got the little bit of the goldish, orangish, I guess, and it's got a little fall leaf at the bottom. And I'm not sure I know how to pronounce this. It looks like Declive or Declive. I think I may have heard him call it Declive. I'm not sure. I'll try to get it right for the follow-up video or by the time we get to the live stream. So this one has got jojoba, argan, amla oil. I'm not familiar with that one. Clove oil, cinnamon leaf oil, nutmeg oil, orange oil. That must mean it's all essential oils there. So nutmeg. Just another one that's definitely going to be on the kind of foodish, warmish kind of scents there, it sounds like. Let's see with the clove and nutmeg. Yeah, that one's got a little sharper note to it because of the clove in it. So this one is less like food and more like the spice out of the spice rack, or like going into a home goods store and they've got out the nice smelling stuff. Not really like a candle, more like a probably more like a potpourri kind of thing sitting out. It smells really good though. Let's see if I can warm some of that up if I can find a spot for it. I'll put it here on my wrist. Yeah, that's good too. It may be a little bit sharp for my nose. I like stuff a little bit sweeter, kind of warmer, rounder scent instead of sharp. But I'll definitely try that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks to the owners for JC Grooming and Fable for sending those out. And I can't wait for that live stream. That's once again on the Bearded Sharks YouTube channel, Mo, and that is going to be on Tuesday, October 1st at 7 p.m. He usually does Shark Talk at 9. We're actually backing up because Scott and I are old men and we go to bed early. So we're going to start that one at 7, have a big fall extravaganza. So hopefully we'll see you guys there and be watching for me. I've got some more unboxings and things to do. And after I do the live stream, I'll probably make a video kind of highlighting all the stuff for you guys that I got for the new fall scents. All right. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.